How to make a lovely cup of British tea using the imperative tense. First, plug the kettle in and switch the electricity on. Next, fill the kettle with cold water. Switch the kettle on. Bring the water to a boil. Choose a mug for your tea. Then put a tea bag in the mug. Pour the boiling water into the mug. Wait for 3 to 4 minutes for the tea to steep. Next, remove the tea bag with a teaspoon. Add some milk. You decide how much milk to add. Stir the milk with a teaspoon. Choose a delicious biscuit or snack to eat with your tea.
Cheers.
There are lots of biscuits you can choose to have with your tea. These are digestive and rich tea biscuits. Dunk your rich tea or digestive biscuit in your cup of tea for a few seconds. In the end, enjoy your tea in any way you want. Cheers!